Okay, this is a chemistry review of matter and energy for the middle school praxis. We will review the following topics: matter, thermodynamics, heat, kinetic molecular theory, properties of gases, gas laws, real versus ideal gases, and matter and energy relationships. Let's start by reviewing matter. A brief discussion on the 4 states of matter and an image is shown to demonstrate what they are. So we have solid, like the solid diamond here, which we can see the atoms arranged in this solid lattice structure. Liquid, like this juice, where the atoms can slip and slide around. Gases, like the air here that the plane is flying through in the clouds, where those atoms spread out. And plasma, like the ionized neon gas that makes up these neon signs. All right, and between each of these states of matter are there the transitions. So from solid to liquid, we have melting. Liquid to solid, we have freezing. That's the phase change. If we add some more energy from liquid to gas, we have vaporization. From gas back to liquid, we have condensation. And these upper two you might not be familiar with. From gas to plasma is ionization. So we ionize the gas and make plasma. Or if we de-ionize the plasma, we can get back to gas. All right, so we're going to just list out the properties of each of the 4 states of matter, starting with solids and liquids. So solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Think about the desk you're sitting at or the chair that you're sitting in with a definite shape and a definite volume. You can't change the shape or the space that your desk takes up. The particles in a solid are strongly attracted to each other. That attraction is what holds it together as a solid. Okay? Its particles cannot move relative to one another, so those particles are fixed, meaning that the solid can't easily change shape. And the particles vibrate in place. As it is heated up, the vibration increases. Okay? Liquid particles are attracted to each other, but they're not locked in position relative to one another. This is why liquids flow. They conform to the shape of the container. You know that if you pour water from one container to another. And they have definite volume. So even though liquids can change their shape, they have definite volume because the particles will stay close together. All right? Particles of a gas have little or no attraction to one another, and they spread out as much as possible to fill their container. They have no definite shape and no definite volume. Another way to say that is they take the shape of their container. Particles are very far apart from one another, and particles in a gas are moving rapidly. When gases are superheated, they can lose electrons and become ions. The mixture of ions and electrons that are lost is what is plasma. Plasmas are conductive and respond to electromagnetic fields. Fluids is a term you hear often. They are not a state of matter, but fluids include both liquids and gases because they both flow.